Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in achieving this little orangey look, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, you guys know this step. I do it in every single video. We're going to start out with the NYX white base, and we're going to apply that all over our lids and blend it out.
Before my liver starts to fail, you're the one I need, Before cassava start to heal,
So to achieve this look, we are using the ColourPop Orange You Glad palette. Okay, so the first color we're going to use out of that palette is called Sunkissed. It is like an orange shade, and we're going to make this our transition color. So here you see me just applying it a little bit above the crease.
Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy. Steady it for me, boy, hold steady.
Okay, so now we're going in with the color Rise and Grind out of that same palette, and now we're just going to place that inside of our crease and blend out really well. You guys will see me dip into this a couple times just because I like to build my colors. I don't know how many times I can tell you guys that. If you guys would like the pigmented colors and for them to be as bright as possible, you have to build them. So just continue to dip into your palette and go back into your crease. So now we're going in with You Peel Me. We're going to go into our crease with that just to kind of darken it up and give it that little smoky effect.
So baby, give me assurance, assurance. So baby, give me assurance, assurance. My baby, give me assurance, assurance. My baby, give me life to ensure.
Alright, so now we're going in with our Makeup Revolution cut crease in the shade white, and we're just going to cut our crease with that. Okay, so now that we have cut our crease and blended that out, we're now going to go in with Tangerine Dreams. Again, this is all out of that ColourPop palette. We're going to go in with Tangerine Dreams and just fill in that cut crease that we made.
You go killing me, baby. You go follow me. You are my remedy. You my melody. The baby now harmony. You go giving me. So are you looking for a sister?
Alright guys, so I have already applied my foundation. You guys know I use the LA Girl foundation in the color Nutmeg. I've already applied my eyeliner as well as my eyelashes, and now we're just highlighting. Again, we use the LA Girl Pro Conceal for my highlight, and we do it down the nose, the center of the forehead, the center of my chin, as well as under my eyes.
Your time is running out. Your time is running out. So my body don't lose yeah.
Alright guys, now we're going in with our contour. You guys know I use a little foundation stick from my local beauty supply. It's called a Magic Stick, and it's in a deep brown, and we just contour the cheekbone, the chin, the forehead, and down the nose just to give you that pinched effect. We're going to go ahead and blend all of that out, and then you guys will see how it all comes together.
Before my liver starts to fail, you're the one I need, Before cassava start to heal, if I ever leave, make water carry me, they go far away, far away. What would I do without you, my charge?
Okay, so once you have applied your concealer, you want to make sure that you set it. So right now we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution in the colors Banana, Translucent, and I mix those together. And then on top of that, we go in with the Topaz color right under the cheekbone, just so it stands out, but it doesn't give you that flashback. You guys will also see me going down the sides of my noses. The more that you bring in the powder, the more your nose is going to look pinched. As you guys can see, it looks super small, and that's the look that I like to go for. I mean, I like my nose, but I do like for it to look a little bit pinched.
Your time is running out. Your time is running out. Your time is running out. So baby,
Okay, so I normally let that set while I do my lipstick, and so now what we're gonna do is just use a big kabuki brush and just wipe off any excess. As you guys can see, I'm going over it a couple times just to make sure that I got it all off, because we do not want any flashback, honey.
baby, give me lifetime insurance. Are you there? Baby, are you there? Barry Pondis. My boy, I've been
Alright, so now we're going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics blush, and this is in the shade Raisin, and we're just going to add that to our cheekbones just to put some color back into our face. Now we're going to highlight because we need to accentuate those cheekbones. We need to be glowing out here in these streets, boo. So what we're going to do is use Juvia's Place and the color Nepoteria to highlight. It is a highlighter. I did put it on the inner corners of my eyes. I do it down my cheeks and also down my nose.
my love. She gets it.
So from there, we're going to go ahead and use the Urban Decay Up All Nighter setting spray. I have extremely oily skin, so you guys will see me put a ton of this crap onto my skin because I need it. Alright, so this is what the finished look looks like, and this is actually after the setting spray has dried on my skin. So here we go. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Leave all of your comments, questions, and concerns below. I promise I am here to help you. And on top of that, I just want to give you guys a little side note here, a little insight. My fan is going because I feel like I'm at the age where I'm starting to have hot flashes. So you guys will see my fan going. It's not because I'm trying to get my Beyonce on. It's because I'm hot as hell.